everybody, it's Diana, and I'm going to do a review of the 12 Days of Beauty Target Beauty Advent Calendar. I did get this for Christmas from Secret Santa Holiday, yay. It comes obviously with 12 beauty products in it. I've taken the wrapping off. I have not opened this up. These may not be available anymore, but when I was at Target today, which is the 27th of December, it was, I think, 30 or 40% off, possibly even half off. So you could get it really cheap. It retails for $20. So then, yeah, you get it for like 10, 15 bucks or less, maybe even 10 bucks, which I think is a super sweet deal. This is great, I think, if you still have someone you want to buy a gift for, whether it's for Christmas or not, whether you want to gift yourself a little something special. So yeah, let's get into this. Let's open it up. It does show on the back what you get, so it's not a super big surprise. I don't know if it's really like $20 worth of stuff, but there are a couple full-size things in here. Definitely, it's probably mostly samples, which is fine because it's a great way, again, to try a bunch of products, especially like good drugstore products they carry at Target, or probably also Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, whatever the F is by you, Walmart. A lot of these products are at all of those places, but for sure they're all at Target and or Target online, and or you can just go on each of these places' websites and buy the items. So there are options. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. I've been waiting to do this. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this in a video or not, but I decided to do it, so we're going to do it. So day number 1, and you could, I think if you bought this for yourself, you would definitely, and you got it before Christmas, you'd probably go like day by day, right? That's what you're supposed to do with the Advent calendar. But since I got it for Christmas, I'm just going to open these bitches all up myself. Or if you get it for someone after Christmas, they could always open it up whatever day they start on as day number 1 and just open one every day for a little surprise. But our first one is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer Base in Hydrate and Smooth, and it is 0.5 fluid ounces. I think the lighting's better, but it's not that great. I want to just see what this smells like. I love getting primers. The white primer. Let's take a tiny bit out. Feels more moisturizing, like a moisturizer. It doesn't really feel silicone-y at all. So I think, and there's definitely no color on it. But it does feel like it's smoothing. So I think that's a plus. I doubt you can even see it. All right, number 1. Number 2, I was so into Advent calendars this year. Let me just say, I wanted so many. And if I'm around and I see a couple that are like on deep discount, like at Mall of America or something, I'll probably buy them. We'll see what happens. Okay. Looks like a little bath bomb. This is Raw Sugar Cube Bath Fizzer in pineapple, acai berry, and coconut. Ooh, it smells good. There's not much coconut in there, which is nice. And it's purple. You see? Damn. So the lighting's good and not good at the same time. Anyway, it's purple. It's pretty. Exciting. I love bath bombs. Day number 3, or third prize. Now this I have tried before. This is the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Dry Shampoo and Extra Strength. And I actually really like this. And I finished mine. And I actually finished my other... Damn lighting. Where are you? There you go. There it is. Hey. Hey. I finished this. I finished my Batiste, so I've been using baby powder, and I'm excited to have another one again. So, woo! Alright, where's number 4? Number 4! Ooh. This is the Good Chemistry perfume in Magnolia Violet. Can you see it? Will it show up? There we go. Just a little sample, baby. Which is nice. The only perfume I have left is my Kat Von D Saint perfume, which I do really like. I want to smell this. Really soft floral. So this probably wouldn't bother you if you had allergies or anything. I don't. I don't like that the actual bottle itself has no writing on it. So if you throw this away, you won't remember what it is. For shame, Good Chemistry, for shame. So I'm going to have to keep these together, which is a pain in the patoot, but we do what we can for beauty. So I will try that. That'll be exciting. Number 5. Ooh. From Shea Moisture, it is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with Tea Tree Oil for problem skin. Yes. Problem skin, problem skin. Can you see it? I've used some of their like shampoo and or conditioners. I've never used their body scrubs. Smells really good. Cool. We'll give it a go. I typically don't buy body scrubs, so it's really nice to get one because I will use it, but I don't buy them. Number 6, let's see, a Cure Night Cream with argan oil. Looks like cholera, but it's not. It's chlorella, echinacea for all skin types. 0% questionable. That's a random thing to put on here. It looks like a few of these things are cruelty-free. If that matters to you, it doesn't matter to me. Look at me. I'm like, oh, I'm a snake lady trying to show you what's here. Let's smell it. It's brilliantly brightening. I like that a lot of these have little safety seals, which is nice. Ooh, that smells really good. I think that's the argan oil coming through. Okay. Night cream. So a little face cream. And this is quite a big bottle, which is great too, because I'm almost out of one face cream, which I'm hoping will be in my empties for this month. If I could finish it in time. And then I have a sampler and one that I really, really love, and an eye cream that I'm going to use as a face cream. So now I don't have to buy another one for a long time. Yes. So I do 99% of the time put face cream on in day and night, and I would probably use that for both, unless it's really thick, and then I'll only use it at night. We'll see. Number 7. Okay, this is definitely a full size. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. So these are like super popular. I do have some of their funky ones, but I don't have any of like the regular line. I want to open it and swatch it. Bear with me. These things, like it's good that the stickers are so hard to get off, because then you know if someone's tampered with it and then you don't buy it. I mean, clearly if it's anything like this, it hasn't been tampered. Girl. Looks like a pretty coppery color. You see? I'm beautiful, aren't I? No makeup. All right, that's exciting. I like Wet n Wild, so I'm pretty excited about that. Wait a minute. The night cream might be full size. I really don't know. Okay, 7, number 8. Come to me, number 8. This is the Well People something Expressionist Mascara. So, Well People, can you see that? Well People. Smells like mascara. It's got a plastic bristle brush. Come on, you bastard. Well, people, upside down. Anyway, who cares? Excited. I like mascaras. I like not buying mascaras, so very nice. Oh, it's getting messy in here. Number 9, I'm a messy kid. So, ooh, an elf brush. So it's a little elf kabuki brush. This is probably a mini. These are really nice for like face powder, setting your face with. If you want to do a big blush or contour or something, probably I'm going to use it for a face powder, setting the face. Number 10, little beauty blender. Not by Beauty Blender. Who's this shit by? It is by Real Techniques, the Miracle Sculpting Sponge. And I don't think that's a full size, but it's got a nice little thing there, so you can really cut your cheekies if you want to. There's the little ones you can get right under the eyes. They're like little flat sides. See that? I'll try that eventually. I haven't really gotten into sponges yet. Maybe 2019 will be the year of the sponge. And that sounded disgusting. Sorry that I said that. Okay, number 11. We're almost done. Get out of here. It is the Vichy Lift Active Supreme. Anti-wrinkle firmness correcting care, normal to combination skin. So I'm guessing another face cream. Smells like an old lady. Nice. That means you know that it's really good. So yeah, Okay, the lighting does a lot of like reflectivity off of things, which I don't like, but it lights me up beautifully, and then you can see the colors of what I'm doing ever so much better. So there is that. And our last day, day 12. Ta-da! This is the Bliss Fab Foaming 2-in-1 Cleanser with exfoliator, excuse me, with bamboo buffers. Facial cleanser. Okay, let's smell it. I've tried it, so it smells almost like nothing. It's cute, it's blue. Yes, so I'm excited to try all of these products. I want to say it's probably all minis except for maybe the Real Techniques and the Bath Bomb, except you probably get more than one when you buy them, and definitely the Wet n Wild. But everything else looks to be minis. Looks to be minis. Okay, so what did we get again? Let's pour over it. We got a hair item. Nice. A bath item. Excited. We got a scrub. Cool. 2 creams. We got a big brush and a sponge. That's not from here. Little mini mascara. So you really only get 2 makeup items. Like 2 makeup items. Mega Glow in Precious Petals by Wet n Wild. Delightful. The Bliss Face Wash and the Master Prime. So you don't have enough to do a full face, clearly, but if you were a relatively and a little perfy perfume. And there it is. So I think this is great. It's a great way to try stuff out. I'm excited about it. I think it's a good deal. If you can get this for a sweet deal of like $10 right now, buy it if it's still available. I think these kind of little gifts of extra little goodies to try a bunch of stuff out is my cup of tea right now. So it might not be your cup of tea, but it's my cup of tea. Drink it if you want, whatevs. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you thought, this I got as a gift, but I think I was going to buy this anyway. So I'm glad I got it for free. Let me know if you would have bought this for yourself or for someone else. If you think it's some good products, if it's stuff you would even use or give 2 craps about, let me know. Comment, subscribe, like this shit, whatever. I've got a lot coming this year. I kind of took a hiatus over the last few months. We're back in business, and baby, business is good. And I'm going to have a lot of shit for you, all right? Have a great day.